artist is known by a before and after work. In your case, it would be like, in my case, it would be say Om Shanti Om, right? Mayur
Yeah.
Puri, all his work before writing Om Shanti Om, after writing Om Shanti Om.
Right.
For you, in that case, probably it is Colonial Cousins.
Yes.
Before all of your work before that, and that one defining, because in everybody's mind, the image is of you with that guitar and
Because at that time the media showed me on television. See.
Yes, yes.
Whereas all the other things you never seen, you only seen the singer.
Yeah. So can we hear Sani Dabba? Because so many requests are coming. If you can,
Okay.
yeah, because
You want to hear a story about Colonial Cousins, or you have no time? I mean, I'm not going to tell all of
we have all the time that you can give us.
No,
We have,
because
यहाँ पे जितने लोग बैठे कोई जाएगा नहीं, सब सुनते रहेंगे आपको.
Sani Dabba बोला, इसीलिए I'm giving you a small.
Please.
Colonial Cousins was ready.
It's my favorite childhood song. It's my favorite childhood non-film song. It's for all the times.
So Colonial Cousins was.
Please tell us the story and then sing the song.
Okay, so Colonial Cousins was ready for release in 1994, November. And from 94 to 96, nobody figured out कि music है क्या. And so they didn't release it. We were two struggling artists.
But it had so many influences. So there was of course the Western, the classical Western, yeah, the rock.
You are saying this now. You are saying all this now. At that time, Warner Brothers sent a mail to a fax. And that time there was no email. And I was sitting in the office and Atul was reading. The fax came out. He read it. He laughed and he gave it to me. And you know what Warner Brothers had written? Great album, fabulously produced. But what is it? And they didn't release it. Because today, in hindsight, you're saying it has got this. At that time, from 94 to 96, nobody knew.
It was ultimately picked up by Magna Sound.
No. Magna Sound created it. So because they believed in it, they created it. But they thought कि चलो Warner Brothers से international release करते ये कोई हुआ ही नहीं. So from 94 to 96, they just sat on it. And it was just being not released. So Hari and I decided कि अरे छोड़ यार, we say our children will listen, no, what their dads have done, by the way.
Wow.
Let it not release, okay, forget, we'll play it at home. And in 96, finally, we were told कि okay, we are releasing the album ourselves. Which was Magna Sound. They decided, because they believed in what we were doing. So it's just that the way they wanted to do Dhuani. So I'm just telling you this story because it's really interesting. Every album which was released by some label always had a release party in some hotel or whatever. There would be press media. So I said, Achha, so where are we having the party? He said, no party. We don't have a budget. No party for release of Colonial Cousins. We are waiting from 94. But 96 April mein jab release ho raha hai. No man. So finally, we gave a party to the record label on my terrace.
Wow.
For the release of Colonial Cousins. And so the record label came to my house on the terrace, and that's where we had the party, which became like the release party. It's quite amazing. And just after that, we released Sani Dabba, and then it just went somewhere else. Yeah? Something about the way you smile, you may never know the reason why. Sani Dabba maga maga risa. Something about the way you smile, you may never know the reason why. Sani Dabba maga maga risa. Oh Jannah, निगाहों में है कैसी मस्तियाँ, हवाओं में है जादू कैसा तौबा, बुला न गई देना ये वादा प्यार का. Sani Dabba maga maga risa. Something about the way you smile, you may never know the reason why. Sani Dabba maga maga risa. Something in my heart just cried, but you may never know the reason why. Sani Dabba maga maga risa. Oh baby, something about the way you walk, something about the way you talk, you may never know. Oh baby, something about the way you walk, something about the way you talk, I may never know. Oh Jannah, निगाहों में है कैसी मस्तियाँ, Baba, wala na kahite na ifada pyar ka, sani da pamaga magarisa. Oh, something about the way you smile, you may never know the reason why. Sani da pamaga magarisa. There's something in my heart just cried, but you may never know the reason why. Sani da pamaga magarisa.
My childhood achievement was to be able to sing this.
Wow.
Amazing, amazing. And when this Colonial Cousins album, जिसकी जैसा कि आप बता रहे थे सर, जिसकी की रिलीज पार्टी तक नहीं हो पाई, लेकिन जब ये रिलीज हुआ तो क्या रिलीज हुआ. It was a platinum sales album, probably the first platinum non-film album sales which it registered. It was on the Billboard. It won the Billboard US Viewers Choice Award. It won MTV Asia Viewers Choice Award. It just made, it was like indie pop music coming to its life. It was like indie pop music.
I mean, see, as an artist from India, if I'm getting the Billboard Awards in Las Vegas,
yeah,
I've got Mariah Carey in the next room, and I've got Celine Dion on the same stage I'm performing with. I mean, you've already got, and that's 1996.
Wow.
So you've already been there. Now you have to, aage aur kya? So
yeah,
it's just a matter of time that will kind of create its next space.
Outstanding. Matlab, what it must have been like. But did you ever think when you were making the album that this is going to happen, and this is, did you ever have that kind of aspirations or dreams, and did you think that that's going to happen, or it just kept on happening? And
I think between Hari and me, we just kind of believed in what we were doing. Ki, bro, this is amazing, and our life is in this music. Our life has literally come in this music. So we just did it because we were dying to do it. I don't think we were looking for the result. Yeah, we were hoping ki, people will love it because we love it. But when it all happened, it was exciting because what you love, everybody loves. And you have not tailored it for public. You've not done anything that, chalo, logo ko acha lagega to aisa karo. Nahi. You've basically done what you feel like.